Maybe we're done. No burps? No burps. Let me get this hand out of here. Oops, can't get it. Oh well. But there it is. There's her hand.